Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to put together this fun pineapple costume. For the materials, you'll need a yellow dress or shirt, green foam paper, a paper towel or toilet paper roll, black tape, scissors, a hot glue gun, a pencil, and a headband. First, cut the paper towel roll in half, but this is optional depending on how big you'd like the crown. Then sketch and cut out 3 different size leaves on the foam paper. After that, hot glue the longer leaves at the top and work your way down to the smaller ones. Then take a piece of the foam and cut out a double-sided leaf. Hot glue it onto the headband and then onto the crown you just created. After that, cut small strips of black tape and stick them on the shirt or dress in an upward V pattern. Then, if you want to, cut where the tape overlaps so it looks a little more put together. And that's it! It's such an easy last-minute costume idea, and honestly, I'm sure you have most of it lying around your house. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching.